I'm Charles Payne. This is Making Money. All right, so I got to tell you, there's a sort of an airy calm, right? Today's session, and it kind of reflects, I think, two parallels for this administration. And I hope really I happen to agree with this. This is from the Wall Street Journal the editorial board that the mission, what we're trying to accomplish, it so far has been a roaring success, but it cannot stop just in order to quell oil prices or commodity prices. Now, of course, there's no doubt that even with the pullback, that spike in crude, we were the biggest ever at this point, is still very, very uncomfortable, and there's still some question marks. And of course, the media continues to lay it on thick, although most were sort of complicit with the sort of game plan of making oil prices much higher. Remember not long ago, to promote clean energy, we necessarily had to have higher gasoline prices. Now, yesterday, by the way, interesting enough, the anniversary of Wealth of Nations, and many purists argue that Adam Smith would have hated tariffs, and also, who knows, maybe higher oil prices. But I kind of see the agenda the same for both of them. You take short-term pain for long-term security and prosperity. I hope that's starting to resonate. Now, on that note, the degree of pain from higher oil is debated, right? And you can see here, this is from Apollo, and essentially they're saying it's not going to be that much of an impact. Headline inflation up 7/10, unemployment up 1/10, core inflation up 1/10, real GDP down only 1/10. Of course, that's just their opinion. As for the stock market, well, for the most part, it's come back really nicely after Middle East conflicts in general, going back to the '79 Iran Revolution, the Gulf War, the Iraq War, Israel-Hamas just a few years ago. In fact, big time moves. But for now, we wait to listen to the media and the constant worst case scenarios. Also, that's matched by doom scrolling and a whole bunch of misinformation. I think it's unreasonable to think that we can or should win a war in just 1 or 2 weeks. So as we wait, knowing that there will be losses and some temporary economic pain, let's remember it used to be a lot more hellish.